Hello friends and potential friends. Well, looks like this is my home for the night. Piney Creek Landing in Apalachicola National Forest. A lot of bugs out here, so I probably won't be spending much time outside. But it's about 6 o'clock at night, and it's sun's going down a little bit. Nice looking area. There's a few burn pits. Someone's got a tent back here. Looks like it's collapsed. And a boat dock, or a boat landing. Nice little creek. And some birds over there at the far side. I have no idea what's across the creek here. And I'm not going to swim over there and find out, because this is still Florida. Which means if there's water, there's probably a gator in it. But it looks like this is going to be home. I'm going to go ahead and get set up and settle in for the evening. Make it an early night so I can get up and hit the road early in the morning. I just thought I'd give you a quick look around. No real rules because the signs have been shot up. But a few people trashing the place a little bit too, but overall it looks pretty nice out here. It was quite a drive to get back here. It's only about a mile off the paved road, so it wasn't too bad. We'll see how busy it gets. Monday night probably won't get real busy, though we do have one boat out apparently. Imagine they'll be showing up at some point. But I'm going to go ahead and get set up. So just wanted to show you a quick look around, and I'll see you next time.